Hey guys, so today's video is actually going to be an Asos try-on haul, and oh boy, it's gonna be fucking weird. About 2 weeks ago, on the 15th of February, I tweeted out and I said, hey guys, I need some new clothes, and I need something that's got fast shipping and good customer service that is not Fashion Nova. You know why. A bunch of you guys in the comments were like, Asos, 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 do it. They have the best. You will get your items so fast. It's so amazing. And I was like, that's exactly what I need. So I placed a fucking large order. Hey guys, so I'm sitting here currently in Hawaii actually. I'm editing this the day this is going up, so this is March 6th. And as I'm editing this, I realized that the beginning is really super like complaining, and it's me sitting around being like, oh, I didn't get my order at this time. I'm not saying this because I'm trying to bitch. I'm saying this to warn anyone who's gonna shop from here, because I always wanna be super forthcoming and honest with you guys. Like when I did my Fashion Nova video, and now that I'm doing this, I haven't really had great online shopping experiences, so I wanted to pre-warn anyone that wants to shop from these websites kind of what to expect when it comes to shipping. So I know this is going to be long-winded, but bear with me. It's just to show you guys kind of how the whole process went for me in case you were planning on shopping from Asos. So let's get back to the video. 97% of the clothes that I try on generally do not fit. But when you order online, that's just the way that it is. When I go shopping out in the store, you can ask anyone who's ever been shopping with me, it's a nightmare. I have to try on everything, and I stand in the dressing room for like 6 hours, and I hate the way everything looks. So I knew that when I would shop online that I don't know how this stuff fits. I've never bought it before, but if this all fit, fine. I'm fine with the order, even though it's like crazy expensive. I was fine with having a bunch of really nice stuff that I'm gonna wear all the time. If it didn't fit, apparently Asos has an incredible return policy, so it really didn't matter because I can return it and it's all good to go. So I placed my order on February 15th, and at checkout, I used they have like this feature where it's 2-day shipping, and it's like $18 for a year. So $18, free 2-day shipping for a year with any order that you place. It just goes on your account and it automatically goes in. You have just whatever. So I placed an order, and it said, due to the volume of your order, you're going to have to pay duties. And I was like, I don't fucking want to pay duties, okay? So I did 2 orders instead. So I did split the order in half so that I wouldn't have to pay duties on one large order, but instead just have the 2 orders come like normal. I didn't want it to get held up in shipping, okay? I placed my first order, and I did all good. I did the 2-day shipping, went through fine. Boom, placed the second order. And because I had just purchased the free 2-day shipping for a year, it said, automatically applied to your account. But I noticed it was still trying to charge me $8 for shipping. So I checked out like normal, and then I went to check on their estimated ship dates. And it said the first one would get here on the 25th of February, and the second one would get here on like March 1st. I don't know why it's gonna take so long to get here. So I emailed customer care, and they were like, yeah, no, there's nothing we can do. Even though you bought 2-day shipping, and even though you said it was applied, you still have to click 2-day shipping. I'm like, yeah, but it said it was going to charge me $8. I'm like, yeah, but it wasn't. And I'm like, okay, well, but it said it was going to, so I didn't click it, and I didn't know because it said it was already applied, and they're like, it doesn't matter, you can't get your order faster. Anyway, talked to customer care, they said no. Okay, fine, whatever. So I was actually in Miami. I had to leave on the 23rd, and I was gone to the 27th, and I was gone in Miami. I got the first order before we left, actually. I got it the day we were leaving to Miami. And when I unpacked everything, you'll see how it all fits in just a moment. Okay, you'll see. Most of it doesn't look good on me. I'm just gonna say that. Then I checked because I kept getting emails saying your order has been dispatched, your order has been dispatched. And I clicked on it to see when it would arrive, and it's not arriving until March 7th. Mind you, I placed the order on February 15th and paid $18 for 2-day shipping, and it's not going to get here until March 7th. That's 3 weeks. So I understand that sometimes things take a few days to process. It's so misleading to first of all charge for 2-day shipping and then have a 3 to 5 day processing and then 2-day shipping. But my items shipped out on the 26th, and I'm not getting them till the 7th. So even after processing for a week and a half, 2 weeks, now it's going to take an extra week for 2-day shipping. I just can't really understand it. I'm not trying to complain. I'm just trying to explain to you that if you've never shopped on Asos before, get ready, because at least for me, or maybe they have something going on, but it's not true. I paid $20 almost for 2-day shipping to get my items 2 weeks and 3 weeks. You see what I'm saying? It's just crazy. I don't understand how that logic works or what they can use to justify it. You'll also be shown the correct estimated delivery date at checkout if you've already placed, which is not correct. because it told me that March 1st at the latest, and it's not getting here till the 7th. We know this isn't ideal for you, Chrissy, but we can assure you we're doing our best to get you ordered as soon as possible. If you have any other questions in the meantime, feel free to get back in touch with us. We're always happy to help. I hear what you're saying. I got you. I hear what you're saying. But it's crazy for me. Same with Fashion Nova. I placed an order for 2-day shipping with Fashion Nova back in the day, which I don't shop from them anymore. I hate them. But I placed an order. I paid for 2-day shipping, and my items took a month and a half to get to me. A fucking long time. And so it's crazy to me that these companies are charging this, but in like the finest of print or however they're doing it, they're not being honest about how long it's actually going to take. I use Amazon as an example because they know that the 2-day shipping with Amazon is what gets people. I always have gotten my orders on Amazon 2 days. And so many people have let me know that Asos has always been wonderful with shipping. They've never had this issue. So maybe I just got the fluke, but it's just crazy to me that out of 2 online clothing companies that I've tried, 2 have not shipped me the items when they said they would. So anyway, let's get into the clothing try on haul. I'm going to show you guys what this stuff looks like on me and be prepared to see how it looks on the model versus how it looks on me. It's definitely a little bit different. The sizing I found for myself personally is totally off. Like it would say fits true to size on the website. So I'm a size 12 in pants. Sometimes I can be a 14, it really depends, but generally I'm a size 12. I wear about a size large in a shirt, sometimes extra large, sometimes it really depends, but I would say average of me is a large on the shirt and a 12 in jeans. It'll say fit true to size, somewhat oversized. It'll have all of these sort of like stipulations on the website. It'll tell you kind of how it fits. There's a sizing chart, and I used all of that because I don't order offline very often. So when I do, I like to make sure that the clothes are gonna fit me. If you're as short as me, which I'm 5 feet tall, you're 100% going to wanna shop in the petite section. I shopped from the regular section and not in petite for some of the items, and I'm swimming in them. They are down to my knees. Most of the items that I got are way too big, and I just discovered that some of the items are cute, but most of them are like completely unflattering on me and don't look good. And I'm gonna have to return, I'd say 90% of the stuff that I got. Even the pair of shoes that I got, which I thought were so cute online, you're gonna see how they just do not fit. I'm gonna quit flapping my gums. I'm gonna go try on these clothes, and you guys are gonna see just how right I am when I say, holy fuck, they're ugly. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna try on a bunch of clothes right now. I'll let you know, this is not the full order that I placed. This is 2 orders that came out of 5 that were shipped. So I don't know I can't even remember what's in the other ones, honestly. But I'm gonna try on for you what I have, and you guys can see just what I'm talking about.
Oh my gosh, Douglas, hi.
You wanna sit here, Laura?
Hi guys, look, it's me.
It's Chunky Douglas.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, first one. Yeah, I don't think there's much explanation needed for this one. This one is a t-shirt dress. I got a few of these because I thought they were gonna be cute. Models make them look cute. I felt like it could look good on me. I thought, you know, with like, if they were short enough and I had the right kind of sneakers on, they honestly just look like I'm wearing like my dad's t-shirt or Zach's t-shirt or something. Like they just look like a big nightie. No shape. This one is $24 and I will be returning it. Yeah. By the way, that last one was a US size 12, which is my size. Praise be. I feel like a handmaid in this one. I think if this were tighter, and these obviously need to tie, I think this could be kind of cute if it were like, oh, something like, but it's not. So this is a US size 14. I thought that I should size up because generally when I go with the dress, they run a little small. And so I thought a 14 would be good. Didn't know that it was gonna be like this. $45. And I will be returning it. So this one is from Asos Petite. I'm keeping this one. I think of everything that I got, this is the one that I like the most. It fits, it's not too tight, it's not too loose. It's nice and like classy looking. It's short enough and I feel like it has enough like coolness to it that it's like business chic casual, but like in a cute way. I really like this. I feel like with a pair of really cute heels, it could look really nice with my hair down and some like smoldering makeup. I really like this one. This is petite size 12 and this one is $56. So finally a win. Finally a win. Shop Petite if you are my height. What?
Scrubs.
Looks like scrubs. It feels like scrubs. All right, so this one is $41. It is a US size 12, and it is so ugly. Because I'm so short, and I don't know what this is. It says pretty little thing on it, but it's like, I don't know. Because I'm so short, unless a dress comes to like mid-thigh, it just is unflattering. And because this goes down to my knees, again, it's like, praise be. And also this. Like, I don't know. Nothing fits me. And I just feel like it's the least flattering. The material's not comfortable either. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like this kind of material, like a sheet, like a cheap Walmart sheet. This one is $29. It is size 14, and it's fucking ugly. So this is another situation of like, if it were this short, if it fit me better, if it's just all around, it's just not good. I thought that this material might be better than it is. So even if this did fit my body, the sleeves could not be more unflattering in most of these t-shirt dresses. They are so long and dumpy. You see what I mean? Like if this had tight sleeves, they were shorter, maybe over right here. It was this length, like it could look flattering.
Well,
there's no shape to it. It's just like
to the sleeves, like there's nothing. Well, to the whole thing, it's literally like one of my shirts.
It just couldn't be worse. Okay, so this one that actually looks kind of cute on, I actually didn't even order this. You're seeing my bra right here. It actually comes like right here. It's got like these kind of sleeves, which I really don't like, but I did not order this. It's not on my orders. I don't know where this came from, but I actually like it. I hate the sleeve so much. Without my bra, it's like pretty revealing, tittieth, but not bad. So since I didn't actually order this, I don't know the price or anything. I'm sorry. All right, so this one is a petite t-shirt dress, size 12. It couldn't be less flattering. I mean, it again, even though it's my right size, like the sleeves are so dumpy. Like it looks like I'm wearing Zach's t-shirt. If I like wrapped a belt around it, it still looks bad. I've tried it. I can't make it look good. Like I'll pull my pants down and show you, like with my legs, but unless this is what these are supposed to look like, then I don't know. But they're too shapeless, and on my frame, I think if you were really narrow, this could look good, but on my frame, it just looks too boxy and too, I don't know, maybe. This one, maybe, I don't know. This one is $24, size 12, under his eye. This is another that I feel like a handmade. I feel so, like it's just too long as well. It's just a little too frumpy. I think that's something that is so weird, is I was expecting, like with this being my pant size, but even like, this is like a tight pant size on me. Like I'm a size 12, but like 12, like tight. And this is a 12 dress, and I just feel like I'm just kind of swimming in it, you know? $32, it's a size 12. So unfortunately this one is going back. Blessed be the fruit. May the Lord open. Yeah, again, we got a little handmade situation going on over here. Like this one is just, it's the length. It makes me feel like I'm trying to be modest, and I'm not trying to be modest. Okay, not even a little bit. So $51, and we'll be going back. Size 14 as well. And see, again, this one actually fits well. So like, had I gone down to a 12, this would have been too tight. But in a 14, I actually feel like it's the right size. It just needs to be shorter, but even still, no. Okay, last but not least are these shoes, and I thought they were so cute. Oh my God, look how cute they are, neon. They're so fun. And then I tried them on and I was like, what the fuck? It's got like this little strappy guy. You squeeze this and then you pull it down. And while you're like, oh, that could be so cute, when you walk, it just flingles off your foot because it's not connected right here where it needs to be to like hold the strap on your foot. So instead of staying on your foot when you walk, it just flipples all around. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's just, see how it's on my foot? So these two are going back. So in conclusion, I don't know if this is the store for me. I'm still trying to find my legit ideal online shopping store, and I've come to the conclusion that shipping and all these things aside, it's hard for me to shop online because of my body type, and I have very particular styles that I like. And you know what? I'm gonna be honest with you though, when I was shopping on Fashion Nova back in the day, I'd say like 90% of the stuff fit me, and I ended up loving all of it. And it's way cheaper than this too. Like, it's just really disappointing. I'm gonna return probably 90% of it or more. I think I'm actually only keeping 3 things. So that's it for this video. Let me know if you guys have tried anything from Asos, if I need to just try it again, give it another chance. I'm happy to do so. However, I am very disappointed with their shipping and the, you know, misconception there. I'm also disappointed with the fit of the clothes and the fact that I really did my best to read the sizing charts and go through everything to see if this stuff was gonna work for me, and it really did not. So I would love to know, am I just doing this wrong? I kind of know what I don't like now. T-shirt dresses are not for me, not for me at all. I need more shape, and I need just different, and I'm gonna know to only shop in the petite section from now. Also, that 2-day shipping means 3 weeks. So as long as I know those things, I don't know. As long as I get my money back on my card and I don't get a gift card, that's a big one. I love shopping online and I love trying out new stuff, and I would love to shop from Fashion Nova, but more went down than you guys even know. It doesn't even have to do with just the gift card anymore. Like, that's such a small reason why I won't shop with Fashion Nova now. So sorry, Asos. My body type and your clothes just really don't mesh well. And hope you guys like this video. It's a little bit different for me. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you at my next video. Bye!